In this video, I'll show you how to repair an old Microsoft Word document and convert it into a new format so you can open and edit it easily. Sometimes older Word documents won't open properly or may show formatting issues because they were created in an older version of Word. Here's how to fix that. First, open Microsoft Word. Click on File in the top left corner, then select Open. Navigate to the location of your old document. Before opening it normally, click the drop-down arrow next to the Open button and select Open and Repair. This option tells Word to attempt to fix any issues in the file while opening it. If the file opens successfully, the next step is to convert it to the latest Word format. Click File, then Save As, and choose the location where you want to save the document. In the Save As Type drop-down, select Word Document .docx. This is the latest Word format, which ensures better compatibility and functionality with modern Word features. Click Save. Your old document is now repaired and saved as a new Word file that you can edit without issues. If the Open and Repair option doesn't work, you can also try copying the content into a new Word document. Open a blank document, then copy and paste the text and images from the old file. Save it as a new .docx file. And that's it. You've successfully repaired an old Word document and converted it into a new editable format. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.